So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube video, and today is day 6 of Navaratri, which is dedicated to Lord Katyayani, and she is also known as Mahishasura Mardini because she slayed off a demon named Mahishasura. And what led to this transformation? Let's see. Long time ago, there was a sage named Katyayana. He was a big devotee of Lord Shakti and wanted her to be born as his daughter. And so he did lot of tapasya and meditation. Day and night he prayed Shakti and then got a boom from Shakti that she will be born as his daughter. During this period, an evil demon named Mahishasura was creating lot of trouble for the gods. And as days went by, he gained more power, and the gods were worried about him. They all combined and prayed Lord Shakti and asked her to do something so that Mahishasura could be killed. Goddess Shakti decided to take birth on earth and kill Mahishasura. And she granted the wish of sage Katyayana and was born as his daughter. She grew up and became a very strong woman and a fighter, and also came to be known as Katyayani, the daughter of Katyayana. One day, two messengers of Mahishasura, Chanda and Munda, saw Ma Shakti and they were mesmerized by her beauty. They went back to him and told her master about this incident. And upon hearing this, Mahishasura got very happy and told his assistant Dundumbi to go and talk to her. Dundupi met Katyayani and told her about the greatness of Mahishasura. He boasted about how Mahishasura became the ruler of all the three worlds. And also, he told Katyayani that she should marry Mahishasura as they make a great couple. Katyayani smiled and told him that according to her family tradition, he should first defeat her in the battle and then she will marry him. Dundupi went back to Mahishasura and told him about the same. Mahishasura agreed and soon the preparations for the war began. All the deities gave their weapon to Ma Shakti. Lord Vishnu gave his Sudarshan Chakra, Lord Shiva gave his Trishul, Lord Brahma gave her his rosary and water pot, and also Lord Vayu gave her his bow and arrow. And now Ma Shakti was completely ready for the war. And now the war took place. Ma Shakti was able to kill all his servants. And then, when Ma Katyayani and Mahishasura came face to face, he transformed himself into a buffalo. This proved to be a real challenge for Katyayani as she struggled to fight him. However, Katyayani tricked Mahishasura and climbed to his back. He was very surprised by this move and tried very hard to shake and get her off from the back, but he failed. Katyayani then placed her leg in the Mahishasura's neck and through the Trishul cut his head off. This is how Ma Katyayani killed the evil demon Mahishasura. And also she restored the peace back to the world. You know one thing, in many parts of India, many unmarried girls observe fast and also pray Ma Katyayani for a very loving and a caring husband. She is an incarnation of Lord Durga and is depicted as having four hands. She holds a lotus in two hands, a sword in one, blesses her devotees with the fourth hand. It is believed that she protects her devotees from all kinds of evil and blesses them with happiness and joy. So yeah, let us learn from Mahishasura Mardini to be courageous in our life, and that's it about today's video, and I'll be coming up with Navaratri day 7 video tomorrow, and till then stay tuned. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the story. So bye.